I'm going to demonstrate how to make the tests with the cutter. First off, we're going to turn on the machine. So now the conveyor belt is running. I'm going to put my hand inside the machine and I'm going to trigger the knife. You can see that it's going to rotate and then stop. So I'm going to take off the pin and make a simulation, because there is a possibility that the pin might be constantly pressing the sensor. You can see now that the knife will be continuously rotating. So I'm taking off the pin and the blade, just so there is no risk that they might be pressing the sensor. Again, we're going to turn on the machine. You can see that the knife is still. So I'm going to grab a piece of metal and touch the sensor with it. Open the window so it's easier to have access to the sensor. If the knife rotates, the problem is not with the sensor. Instead, it might be the pressure that the pin is making on it. For the second simulation, I'm going to make the knife rotate with my hand again. Every time the sleeve rotates and goes through the seam, the screw is going to touch the seam and make a stop. So the other possibility is that the screw has fallen off or is too distant from the seam. If none of these situations are the problem, then try to open up the panel. There is a timer inside. The set time might be too high, and if so, it needs to be adjusted.